In the first lockdown, I made masala dosa and sambhar. I remember it clearly. And I asked you guys if you wanted to see a sambhar video, and most of you said yes. And I totally forgot about it. So sorry for that. But I finally going to share the sambar masala recipe with you. Now this recipe is from my book Chaat Chutney. If you are fond of Indian street food, then this is the book for you. It is packed with amazing Indian street food recipes. Anyways, the sambar masala is in this with the dosa and all the other recipes, and it is obviously really quick to make. Spices, roast and blend, but the key is what spices and how much quantity. So I'm going to collect all the spices, dry roast it in a pan on low heat, and then blitz it, and that will give us this beautiful, stunning looking sambar masala. This is the quantity you get with the recipe that I'm sharing today. So in a pan, I'm going to add 50 grams of coriander seeds. That's kind of quite the main flavor in sambar masala. I've got 10 dried chilies. Actually, as you can see, it's a mix of the varieties. So these are a different variety and these are a different variety. And sometimes you just get a pack of dried chilies and it doesn't say what variety it is. So yeah, you can choose according to the heat levels you like, but you definitely need dried red chilies for this. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of black mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Now this is the black lentils with no skin and split, so this is quite important. 1 tablespoon of chana dal, and 1 tablespoon of toor dal. And now I am just going to dry roast these on the hob on low heat. So in normal circumstances, I would roast the seeds first, take it out, then roast the lentils, and then then the chilies, and then the coriander seeds. But because I was talking to you guys, your fault, I put everything together in the pan, and now I'm roasting it. But I would suggest that you roast separately, because one at a time, and then add it to the pan, because they take different kind of timings to roast. But it's not bad. Roast it on low heat, and I can smell it. I can see they're turning golden, and as soon as that happens, you take it off the heat. But they're beautifully golden. Can you see? Lovely, smoky. And that's what I meant, where the seeds have kind of roasted, but the lentils haven't. So that's why, if you could please remember to do it separately, would be much better. Right, that is looking lovely. I am going to take it off the heat and let it cool down very slightly. Just going to get them out in a bowl. Smells so good. To this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, and a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and around 10 dried curry leaves. Now I'm just going to use a spice mixer and just blitz it to a powder. And just in a few minutes, you have this sambar masala ready. I cannot say it enough that homemade sambar masala is definitely the best. It's the quantity of the spices that makes the mix sambar masala, and there are many ways of making it. So if you think your family didn't make it like this, that's absolutely fine. India is a big country and everyone makes their own version of things, but it is absolutely delicious. This was passed down to me by a family friend. So this is a very, very trusted recipe. Hope you will give this a go. And tomorrow I'll be sharing the sambar recipe, which is using this spice mix to actually make the sambar that you enjoy with your dosas, idlis and vadas. And the recipe for all of those can be found in Chaat Chutney. All the links in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. See you very soon. Bye for now.